Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to open and clean an exhaust ceiling fan, especially in your kitchen, because these fans are the most hard to clean compared to the other area in your house. They are covered with oil from your cooking activity every day, so it will slowing down the spinning of the fan or even not spinning at all after some times. So it is important to clean this fan regularly. First, open the cover by pinching both retainer from the ceiling. This is my result cleaning the fan. I'm using oven and grill cleaner spray to easily remove the oil residue. Just spray the area with several minutes for the chemical to work and brush and spray it again with clean water. If your fan suddenly stops or hard to spin, do not immediately throw away your fan. You can save them by first try to spray it with the lubricant. Spray to the center of the motor and it will work again, and maybe even faster than before. Also make a single hole for the water out. You can use small drill or soldering iron if the fan cover made from plastic, and later you can cover the hole with tapes after all the dirty water out. I think this is an easy way for me cleaning the fan without taking all the motor down. Okay, that's it. I hope this sharing helped. Please like, subscribe and share if you like this video. See you again in my next repair tips. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih.